Ready? It's for my YouTube channel. Yes. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am in my new room filming. So there seems to be some shadows here, so let's just see if I can get this adjusted so that the light is not all in my eyes. So, okay, let's see, what do we got going on here? Can everybody see me? This is the new room that I just painted. If you didn't see my recent video about painting, what's it called? Extreme Bedroom Makeover. Go check it out. You'll see how I painted baby girl's room. It's empty except for the stuff I have from some hauls that I did. And I brought everything into the room. So I'm trying to decide what to do with this room right now. And the sun is kicking. Oh my God. So let's see if I can get this light right. Anyway, guys, if you wonder what I'm wearing, I am wearing a buffalo plaid shirt. I think this is a man's shirt, but your girl is wearing it because she got it from Goodwill, okay? Button down, 2 pockets. Let me see if I stand up if you can see it. This is an extra large, and I got it in the men's section. Wasn't looking for it. You know, I'm never looking for stuff when I go to Goodwill. I wasn't really looking for this, but I just was doing my thing, going through Goodwill, and I came across this shirt. So, you know, I had to pick it up. And then my thought was to cut it up and make some kind of buffalo check pillow or I don't know, napkins or something like that out of it since it's so popular this year, right? So that was my thought. But after I washed it and put it on, now you know I cannot cut up this shirt. I think this is going to be my go-to shirt. I have a red and black buffalo check shirt that I got from a store called Bonton a couple years ago, and I dogged that shirt out, man. I really love that shirt. But this, look at this. Oh, by the way, it was $4.99 or $3.99. Anyway, as I said, it's a man's shirt. But my first thought was to make it into some kind of napkins, placemats or something like that, a pillow cover or something like that at first. But look at this. This is too nice. Look at this. Anyway, I did a brief haul of some shopping last week. Speaking of buffalo check, I got this buffalo check fabric from Walmart last week. And this I really did get to, you know, turn it into something. Well, let me adjust this light. This is, I don't know about you guys, but this is killing me. Hope that's better. I hope that's better, guys. I don't know. Hold on. Let's see. Hang in there. Hang in there as I get this together. Again, I don't know what I'm going to use this room for. Filming, my quiet room, my exercise room, or what. But it's going to be, my reading room, projects, I don't know. It's going to be something. But let me just get this adjusted so that everybody can see me. So I need to show off my shirt. How is that? Is that coming through? how it's going to be in here. I got to figure out a way to film and not be blinded by the light. How is that? Is that too dark? Okay, let's see if this works. Anyway, I got this fabric from Walmart last week. It was $4 a yard, something like that. So I got 2 yards. Now this, I really thought I was gonna do a tablecloth, or excuse me, a runner, or maybe some pillow covers, or something like that. So I'm gonna see how this goes. What else do I have? In Goodwill, I picked up this 2-tier stand, wicker basket. This is pretty nice. I like this. This was, I think this was half price. I think it said $4, but I think it was, the color was blue that day, so I got it for $4. It says $8. Got it for $4. This is pretty nice. And, excuse me guys, these dishes. These pasta bowls, I got 4 of them. I'm only showing 2 because I've already started to use them. And they were $3 a piece. You see those? I got 4 of these. I thought they were pretty nice. We already use these already and love them. So, all right, so what did I get? My 2-tier basket for $4. My pasta bowls, 4 of these for $3. My shirt for $3.99 or $4.99, which I'm loving this. Is this not awesome? Why would anybody donate this to the thrift store? I don't know. It's like it was calling my name. Look at this. How could I cut this up? There's no way I could cut this shirt up. There is just no way. And finally, my buffalo check fabric. So, can't wait to see what I do with that. Can't wait to see what I do with this room. I just don't know. You know, I have been crying for a space of my own for a long time, and just thinking about what can I do in here? What will I do? Now that I have the space, I don't want to rush out and just you know, just put anything in here. I want to take my time and decide. Again, I have some stuff from hauls. I have a couple of wall hangings. One in particular of Audrey Hepburn, which is a beauty one. It's like, I don't know, 4 feet by 4 feet. It's huge. I did a haul in that. That was probably one of my first hauls sometime in December of 17. And I was debating about putting that up on the wall here where there used to be the TV, and making that like my backdrop. Not sure yet. Also thought about putting something on this wall here, which is between the 2 windows, maybe something big. But I want to take my time. I don't know. I was thinking about maybe I'll even get like a love seed or something like that and put in here. So I don't know. Again, I got some suggestions from a lot of YouTube subscribers about what to do, but I'm going to take my time. I'm not going to rush it, and but I'll keep everybody posted on what I decide to do. So, guys, thank you so much for your support. I appreciate you, and I just wanted to come on really quickly and show my shirt. And take a couple of photos with my shirt. And bam. And I will see you all in my next production.